Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are painting my room and I'm doing it by myself. So I just wanted to just do an intro before we start. So the first thing you need to know when you're painting your room, or the first step that I will be taking before I paint my room, one is to get rid of everything in the room. Okay, so the reason is because if you have property in the room, it looks like you are, what's it called, like painting is difficult. But if you've cleared out everything, it gives you this sense of like, oh, it's just the wall, I can finish it off on time. Anyway, that's what I'm thinking. I've never painted a room before, so I'm clearing out the room first and then removing all everything, my clothes. Oh my god, that's the NEPA guys, but it's fine, we are still good. So I'm clearing out the room and taking my bags and clothes, my work equipment, my filming equipment, taking everything outside. And yeah, that's the first step. The next thing I will do, okay, you know what, let me do that first and come back. Anyways, I'm going out now to get the paint. I haven't even bought the paint, but I'm going out right now to get it. So when I get it, like when I come back, I'll show you guys what I got to paint the room. So let me start clearing up and we can continue this video later. Okay. I'm super excited, guys. This blue wall has been giving me headache for a while now, so I'm glad that I get to paint it to the color that I want. Okay, so these are my work tools. This is my waxing machine, everything. Basically, I'm getting that out of this place. And then this is my other table. This is where I have like my makeup, my drugs, some other things. Like you can see, I just finished waxing. I haven't cleaned these things. Everything is here, basically everything. And then here my clothes, I did wash, so I have some clothes out. Guys, my room is a mess. Then this is basically the shoe rack. So this is what the walls look like. I just wanted to show you before. This is my scattered bed. So yeah, everything is a mess. So I'm just going to take pictures and let's get into it. I've removed everything, my curtains, everything, my clothes. So it's time for me to get into painting. So the second step is for you to clean out all the dust, as much dust as you can. Sorry, my fan is quite noisy. So clean your windows if you must, clean your nets, because you're painting it. Because I'm painting white, I don't want the dust and everything to get into the paint. And then when I'm done, I know that like I've already cleaned out everything, so I don't need to clean and then get dust on the paint that I just did. So this is my work table. I'm going to use it to climb up so I can reach the top of the wall. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you everything that I'm going to use. This is the paint bucket and this is the paint roller. I'm using my cutting rod to extend the paint roller, paintbrush, and this powder thing for, I think it's the thinner or the filling powder. I don't know what it's called, but like I'm supposed to use it to cover the holes on the wall. Bread for hunger, because I haven't eaten since like yesterday afternoon, so I need to eat so that I don't faint. Yeah, so let me mix this and start filling out, then I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Okay. So guys, this is what I've been doing since. I just painted the sides with a paintbrush. So I'm still doing this window. So I'm going to use the paint roller now. I'm not going to mount my phone because my phone has fallen down twice and I don't want it to fall down again. So yeah, I'll just show you later how I do it. I don't know, this white paint is not giving me what I want, but I'm going to recoat it later on once everything dries. It's crazy. Look at my face. Guys, look at my body. Like, I'm living in paint. So that's basically what this is the update. I've gone round, but as you can see, I have to still coat it because it's still giving blue. I don't know why. So yeah, let me just show you. Let me switch the camera. So before we bring this video to an end, I just wanted to share with you guys like some of the mistakes that I made while painting this room, because guys, I went through a lot painting this room. So the first thing that I did was I was recoating. Like when I was using the paint roller, I would paint it like go up and down, and then I would still paint it over again. So what this does is that you have to paint first, like the first coat, let it dry before you paint the second time. But I was painting it over and over again, and it was losing paint. So basically, if you don't let it dry, once you go with the paint roller again, it automatically removes most of the paint that you already have on the wall. So I didn't know that, and I was constantly painting. Like I would want to go do 3 coats at a time, and that was not helping me at all. So don't do that. Second thing, protect your floor. Guys, I had paint on every part of the floor, so you want to make sure that you get like paper and sellotape everywhere on the floor as much as you can. So you not be like me. I had to come back with rag and brush to clean the floor from beginning to the end. So make sure you protect your floor. And then the third thing that you should know, what else? When you're mixing your paint, so usually painters will recommend not to mix your paint with water. I mixed my paint with water, so I was thinking so that the paint would be plenty, but guys, don't do it. If you're going to mix it with very little water. You want your paint to be still thick while you're painting, because if it's too watery, you're going to paint that wall over and over again till you get the white paint that you have. Okay, so those are the 3 mistakes that I made. If you're going to paint your room yourself, kudos to you, because you are the real G. I used 2 days to paint my room, by the way, because I was tired the first day, and then I had to come back and finish it up. So to let it dry and finish it up. And I must say that the result is beautiful, as you can see, the background and everything. So, but if you can pay someone to do it for you and you don't want the stress, and just go ahead and pay. But if you want to do it by yourself, like me, I did it myself, then by all means go ahead and paint your room by yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys.